Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain what is the best investment today. There isn't one single best investment for everyone, as it truly depends on your individual financial situation and objectives. We'll explore how different investment types can help you grow your wealth. Understanding your personal risk tolerance and long-term goals is the first crucial step in making informed decisions about where to put your money. Let's look at some common investment types. Stocks, for example, can offer significant growth, but their value can fluctuate quite a bit. Bonds, on the other hand, are often seen as more stable, providing a steady income stream. Real estate is another popular option, potentially offering both rental income and long-term appreciation. Each has unique characteristics to consider. When choosing investments, several factors are key. First, honestly assess your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with potential losses? Next, define your financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment or retirement. Also, think about liquidity. How easily can you convert your investment back into cash if needed? These considerations will guide your choices. Building a smart portfolio involves diversification, spreading your investments to reduce risk. It's also wise to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it still aligns with your goals. For personalized advice, consider consulting a qualified financial advisor. And speaking of smart choices, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.